मैंने उसको बुलाया इंस्टाग्राम पे, उसे पता नहीं था क्यों, एंड मैंने उसका इंटरव्यू लेना शुरू किया. So she shocked, she's like, what are you doing? I said, no, I want to know why. Why do you do what you do? Why is there so much love? Like,
Okay, hi Adnan, welcome to Television
hi.
Center. So सबसे पहले तो congratulations for your song. गाने के बारे में बताइए, मतलब how did it come along and मतलब in a time where everybody is doing music videos and dance and love, आपने एक भजन चूज किया क्या?
नहीं, फर्स्टली आई एम सॉरी टू से नहीं टू स्ट्रेट अवे, मैंने चूज़ नहीं किया. आई एम नॉट गोना लाई टू यू, आई डिडंट चूज़ इट. फॉर 3 इयर्स मेरा एक ही सपना था, एक ही नहीं, बहुत सारे सपने, बट एक सपना था, मुझे गाना करना है टी सीरीज़ का. बिलीव इट और नॉट यार, मेरे को दिल से इच्छा थी कि प्लीज़ गॉड गिव मी अ सॉन्ग. एंड एक गाना आया था, एक्चुअली 2 आए थे. एक मैं कर नहीं पाया बिकॉज आई वाज फ्लाइंग टू इंडोनेशिया फॉर अनदर इवेंट, एंड द सेकेंड वन केम. कोई काम नहीं था, कुछ नहीं था, एंड दे कॉल्ड मी अप. दिस इज़ नॉट फ्रॉम टी सीरीज, दिस इज़ फ्रॉम अनदर वेरी वेरी बिग प्रोडक्शन हाउस. सो दे कॉल मी अप, दे लाइक, कैन यू डू अ सॉन्ग? आई से या आई विल डू द सॉन्ग. व्हाटएवर, पैसे तो छोड़, मेरे को करना है. बोलते कैन यू डांस? आई सेड व्हाट? दे सेड कैन यू डांस? So now I sat now in 6 सालों में मैंने थोड़े बहुत अवार्ड फंक्शंस अटेंड किए एंड आई डांस इन दैट. सो प्रोग्रेसिवली आई हैव गॉटन अ लिटिल बेटर, राइट. तो लास्ट वाला जो तुनिशा के साथ था, विच वाज द लास्ट ZRA विच आई वाज अ पार्ट ऑफ, उसमें समवट रिलेटिवली मुझे लगा मैंने अच्छा किया, तो मैंने वो डांस का वीडियो भेजा प्रोडक्शन हाउस को. They are very blunt but very sweet. They said, yeah, you're not dancing. This is something else. This is not dancing. I said, it's that bad? They're like, it's that bad. I said, okay, ठीक है. See, look, I know where my strengths lie, so I didn't feel too bad. थोड़ा सा बुरा लगा. I said, God's going to send me something else. I booked my tickets to fly to Dubai December में. And 9th of December, I think it was 11th or 9th, one of these days. So 9th, जो भी, I was flying out and I get a call from a casting director saying, listen, you've got this music video, it's for T-Series, it's a bhajan, would you do it? I didn't hear bhajan, I didn't hear anything, I just heard song, T-Series, yes. ना budget सुना मैं, ना गाना किसके बारे में था. Obviously later on, जब when I found out it was a bhajan, I had a mixed reaction because obviously I've dreamt of doing romantic songs. But I realized that it's still a song. It's for T-Series. It's a beautiful opportunity, you know. And it's been my dream. So I did it, and believe it or not, the experience was wonderful. I had a wonderful experience. It's the lyricist is Manoj Muntasir sir, who's done Kesari, and he's won Padma Shri for. He's won quite a few awards for his songs. Kesari mein, I think Teri Mitti Heed. So I met this guy, and he turned out to be so cool. He was. I wouldn't want to say Meri Tarah because he's a writer as well, but the vibe I was getting was very cool. Yeah, him and his wife and his production house, him and his wife specifically, and then yeah, I just had a blast. I had a blast, man. I had such a good time.
Okay, गाने की अगर बात करें, स्टोरी की अगर बात करें, कितना इत्तेफाक रखते हैं पर्सनली कि you know how much do you believe, you are a believer of मतलब गॉड की?
फुल ऑन. सी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं आपको एक बात बोलूँ, मैंने इसको भजन की तरह लिया नहीं है, बिकॉज जो वर्ड्स थे ना, आई टुक इट फॉर मी. दिस इज़ मी टॉकिंग टू गॉड. ओके, मेरा एक पर्सनल बिलीफ है, विच माइट, आई डोंट वांट टू गेट इनटू रिलीजियस एस्पेक्ट्स, बट आई बिलीव गॉड इज़ वन. We just have different names for him, right? So we all pray to the same being. ये words जो थे ना, मैंने अपने लिए लिए कि yeah, maybe the grammar was different because I use Urdu or English to talk to God, but this was in Hindi. But I felt very connected to this, you know. And the way it came about, the way it came about, it was sent by God, you know, to me. So I believe in God. I'm very religious. I think religion is the guiding light in today's world, you know. We're all losing our way. So all this was sent as a gift from him to me because December was my birthday month, by the way, and it was sent in December to me. So I'm,
कबीर की अगर बात करें, कबीर and the character you are playing in this song, कितना ज़्यादा मतलब it is of course poles apart. क्या कहेंगे, किससे ज़्यादा रिलेट करते हैं? कबीर से ज़्यादा रिलेट करते हैं या this character?
Somewhere I think ये character, क्योंकि I never got to play. कबीर की शुरुआत जो थी ना, एक बहुत ही well set family से थी. He had family backing. This fellow has nothing. He had a super sweet mother,
Right.
which look at that. Exactly. So that connection was there. The mother connection was there, and the way I saw it, जिस तरह से मैंने देखा ना कि इस बंदे की शुरुआत बहुत ही ग्राउंड लेवल से हुई थी. So I felt Adnan's beginning was the same. So I felt very connected to this character. Yeah.
फैमिली से, फ्रेंड्स से किससे क्या रिस्पॉन्स आया जब गाना बाहर आया? ऑफ कोर्स जब आपने बताया कि यू आर डूइंग दिस सॉन्ग एंड यू आर डूइंग दिस भजन, तो घर वालों से और फैमिली से, फ्रेंड्स से क्या रिस्पॉन्स?
अलग अलग. मेरा एक दोस्त है मनीष डिमरी, शाउट आउट टू हिम. मैं अभी आपको इसके बारे में बता रहा हूँ. ये फ्यूचर नेशनल अवार्ड विनिंग एक्टर बनने वाला है, आप देखना 100%. सो उससे एक बहुत ही अलग रिव्यू आया, बट दैट वाज वेरी एक्टिंग रिलेटेड, दैट वाज वेरी आर्टिस्टिक, एंड आई लव्ड हिज रिव्यू. इट वाज नॉट ही सेड क्या किया तूने, दैट टेंजेंट, यू नो, ही पिक्ड आउट द स्मॉल, रियली स्मॉल थिंग्स जो सिर्फ एक एक्टर या एक आर्टिस्ट, नॉट, we're not talking about अरे वाह टी सीरीज पे गाना, अरे वाह इतने मिलियन व्यूज, अरे वाह एक्सपोजर. नो नो नो, ही डजंट केयर अबाउट एनी ऑफ दैट. वी डिस्कस. सो उसका बहुत ही अलग रिव्यू था. बट फैमिली एंड इमीडिएट फ्रेंड्स, इट वाज वंडरफुल. माय ब्रदर सेड इट वाज अमेजिंग. Family loved it. Mom was very happy. So my mom's an Orthodox Muslim. She's an Orthodox Muslim, but I have a video recording of her watching it, and she's just smiling and she's just happy because she's seeing me in a different avatar, and she doesn't care. She knows her son's performing and her son's giving her best, so she was very happy. She was really happy, and that was nice to see, you know, because I was kind of worried. मेरे को सब पूछे थे मेरी family में, because your mom's religious, what would happen, but I recorded it. I wanted to see क्या reaction होगा, and such a cute, because I guess she saw the work in it, she saw the art in it somewhere. Maybe I made her believe that I was that character for a second, so she was smiling. I don't know, but she was smiling. She was really happy. And fans से तो कुछ ज़्यादा ही, मैं अभी किसी से I don't know why people are the way they are. I don't know why they like me so much. I don't understand it. I cannot understand it. Right? They keep sending me, like, they root for you, yeah. Like, मेरे को वो भेज रहे थे कि Adnan, your song crossed 1.5 million views. I was like, why are these guys so happy for me? देख, एक होता है ऊपर वो दिखावे वाला, start में, oh wow, congratulations, song amazing, everything is good. They send 1-2 messages, fine. It's the second day and they're still following up, and they're checking more than me, and I like to downplay it. I don't like to take credit personally. I don't believe in that. तो मैं उन लोगों को बोल रहा हूँ नहीं वो तो टी सीरीज का प्लेटफॉर्म है. नहीं, then they're sending me 5 other songs that came out an hour ago. They're like, look at the views and compare. And I was like, guys, why are you guys rooting for me so much? This doesn't happen in the world. Before you came, I was having an interview, live interview कर रहा था, इसी टाइम पास कर रहा था मैं Instagram पे. So there's a fan whose name is Rifat. She's become a very dear friend. We talk a lot. मैंने उसको बुलाया Instagram पे, उसे पता नहीं था क्यों, and मैंने उसका इंटरव्यू लेना शुरू किया. So she shocked, she's like, what are you doing? I said, no, I want to know why. Why do you do what you do? Why is there so much love? Like, okay, if I speak very practically, right? Now she's a woman, so you can say, fine, maybe she's attracted to me, right? But attraction is very, वो 1-2 दिन की कहानी है. ये लोग 3-6 महीना हो गया मेरे शो को ख़त्म होकर. I have not come on screen. I cannot, मुझे समझ, क्योंकि दुनिया में बाहर देखो तो I only see evil. No offense, but there's a lot of stuff going on in the world that's really evil. But then you get people like this, and why are they doing what they're doing? I was asking, I was like, why? Why do you guys support me so much? They're like, no, because we relate to you. I'm like, but I don't know, it's weird. So fans, excellent. Coming back to the point, fans, excellent reviews. They love it. They're very proud of me. I started to feel like this is my family, man. It's so crazy. Yeah, fans good, family good, friends good. 1-2 friend ने बहुत ही अच्छे critique दिए. I love that. I support that.
Okay, गाने की अगर बात करें तो उसमें you are the character you're playing is a singer. अदनान कितना relate करते हैं? How much do you enjoy singing? How much do you love singing?
I love singing, but I suck at it.
Okay.
I am terrible at it. I am so bad. मैं बहुत ही बुरा हूँ. पर मुझे जैसे नाचना, I love dancing, I love watching it. I don't like doing it because I'm not good at it. Same thing with singing. I haven't learned it, practiced it. So, but I love it. I love it. And there were moments in that जो मैं उसको substitute करता हूँ. Just imagine singing को छोड़ के acting ही ले लो. Imagine this character was performing. So I felt very close to this character, you know, the nervousness, the fear of not being able to do it. बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा relate कर रहा था मैं उससे.
ओके जिस दिन आई थिंक आपने अनाउंस किया कि सॉन्ग आया है उसी दिन यू वर ट्रेंडिंग ऑन ट्विटर आल्सो एंड इतने ज़्यादा व्यूज़ आना मतलब क्या कितना हाउ ओवरवेलमिंग इट इज़ फॉर यू.
The trending thing really got to me, because again ये पागल लोग हैं, पता नहीं क्यों करते हैं, मुझे समझ में नहीं आता. मैं अभी भी बोलता हूँ मुझे समझ में नहीं आता why they do it. They spread word in their groups and they go. This is I think the 4th or 5th time this fandom, that's the word they use, has gone trending on Twitter. When Isha left twice, then another time, I was like, what are these guys doing? Like, मालूम क्या होता है कि अच्छा लगता है पर समझ में नहीं आता क्यों. तो वो यार लाइक ये क्या कर रहे हैं यार दिल में कि करते जाओ बट ऊपर से बोल रहे कि क्या. लाइक इट वाज वेरी वियर्ड फॉर मी. लाइक द फर्स्ट हाफ ऑफ द डे आई वाज ecstatic. The word I would use was ecstatic. जी.